My fellow money makers, it's your boy PTC Pat, and of course, let's check it out. I have to see where my hands go from. As you can see here behind me, this is also a quite profitable trader. He has like 86%, but of course, this is a risky one, guys. As you have to check it out here. Here, it's like high risk, and I'm gonna show you why. But I'm using this one to show you guys how to create your own affiliate link for a trader and earn commission that the trader shares with us. Let me show you guys this. Share my screen. Let's go to the trader rating. And I'm going to take you on a tour. As you can see, like this trader has been like making money. Like he started with $11. He started with nothing. Then he started with $11. Here he was growing. And I think he is taking a big risk here. And as you can see it here in the growth, like it was massive. You can see the table. It's like here. So as you can see, he is making money. But I want to show you guys this. His maximum risk was 35, and that's on February 28th. How to relate with that? That means that your account could go like 35% in the minus. And of course, if he has bad days, that means that you will not get a plus from that. As you can see here, like this was like the first of this month. And you can see like he had like a 9.47 profit and a 9.43 loss. So that's like 4 cents profit. You can also check it out as he was going short on this tokens. You can see how much he earned, how much sales he did, and over what kind of period. So we're going to show you how to create your own affiliate link and earn from traders. You can see that you can subscribe to the trader. Well, I'm going to do that, but I'm going to do it with another account because I don't want to blow this. Like I said, it's a risk, you know. And you can see the affiliate commission. You can check it out like you're gonna get 50% of his 25% of profit, which is humongous. Let's say you got somebody in it with money and that person is making a whole lot of money. Of course, 25% is going to this trader, and his name is New Genius with trading strategy name Baby Son. And of course, you can also count on 50% of the 25 to get back to you because you are making sure that he is growing in his active subscribers. What we're going to do is we're going to press this button that says receive affiliate link. You won't be able to change the account for payouts. Receive the affiliate link and press yes. And now you see a link here below. This means that this trader, yeah, you can sign people to this trader. And let's say just open this page. It's going to go like this. And then you can like subscribe to the trader, get your own link, and yeah, subscribe and make sure that your wallet is following him directly. Of course, this is fully passive, and I have to say, guys, I cannot guarantee for this trader, of course, because he is making massive results. He is just on the side for 20 days, and yeah, of course, it's like always. It seems that he is quite profitable with 91 trades and an 86.66% of success. But you never know, so always do your own risk. This video was to how to find your affiliate, thing. Oh, I'm looking and I see that it's in Dutch. So you can check this, of course, in my other videos. Let's go like this. You can, oh man, you can check it out like this. 1 second, guys. You can see that it is your affiliate commission. We just made this, and this link is now going to be spread under my video also. This is one of the ways to earn with ROBOFOREX. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Another video coming up, and of course, I'm going to make sure that you guys know everything. This is PTC Bed from the Netherlands. Stay safe, be blessed, and let's keep making money.